Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Who's ready for another giveaway? Remember, I told you guys I got a bunch to give away and I'm ready to get it going. So, today I am looking at 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24 skeins of yarn. So we've got a good size one. And I'm going to be throwing something else in. Now, this is something I bought off of Hirschner's, and I thought this was just going to be the coolest thing, and then I got it, and I was like, I have no idea what to do with this. I have no idea how to do it, so it just kind of set, and then I thought, you know what, I'm just going to give it to you guys. If you want it, you can work it. If you don't, give it to somebody you know that would know what to do, or figure it out. I don't know. But we're just going to get started on it. I'm going to go through all this yarn. Okay, so first I have got another 3-pack of Flicka, Lion Brand Flicka, and it's 3.5 ounces, 100 grams, 196 yards or 179 meters. It's a size 3 and it recommends a 6-weight or a 6mm hook, 50% cotton, 50% polyester. It says one will do a hat, and there's 3 of those. And this is confetti. So it's a bunch of oranges and yellows, and there's some pinks and some browns, different shades of brown. So there's 3 of those. And then I have the green pack, and this one is dill pickle. I really, really like that green. So there's 3 of those. And then I have 2 skeins of Red Heart Super Saver Ombre. And this is the color Cocoa. Wait a minute. I think I have another one. I did. You're getting 3 skeins of this. I thought I had another one. So it's a 25 skein giveaway. All right. So there's 3 skeins of this. It's the color Cocoa. It's Red Heart Super Saver Ombre. It's 10 ounces, 283 grams, 482 yards or 440 meters. 100% acrylic. So this is the color that goes from a pale, I'd call that like a bone color, to darker to a dark brown. Okay, so there's 3 skeins of that. Then I have 2 skeins of, this is Yarn Bee Arabella. Now this is from Hobby Lobby, and this yarn, I have a hat made from this yarn, not this color, but oh man, is this stuff soft. Now this is 3.5 ounces, 105 yards. It's the color Sea Breeze. It's 96 meters. It's 50% cotton and 45% acrylic, and it's considered a 5-weight. It looks like a 4-weight to me, but it says it's considered a 5-weight. And you can see it has like that emerald green, and then it goes to a really pretty like ocean blue, and then it goes to like a sea foam kind of color. Oh, this yarn is so pretty. And you're gonna get 2 of those. All right. So I kind of kept it a little basic on this one. This is Karen Simply Soft in Karen Simply Soft Tweeds. Sorry. And it's Gray Heather. It's a 4-weight, 97% acrylic, 3% viscose. It's 5 ounces, 141 grams, 250 yards, 228 meters. And the flecks on there are white and brown. I don't see black. It's just different colors of, or shades of brown. If you guys can see that. So that would make a really cute. I think that may have been one of your flicks. Sorry. So this would make a really cute hat and scarf set. So you're getting 2 of those. And I'm not going to hold all of these up, but you're getting 5 skeins of Red Heart Super Saver in the color Fall. Now this I bought because I had the intention of doing a corner to corner Afghan that Matt wanted. And then I never got to it. And I thought, you know what? I'm not going to be able to get to it. So we're just going to get rid of it. But there's 5 skeins of these. And it is 5 ounces, 141 grams, 236 yards or 215 meters. 100% acrylic, size 4. Okay, so you're going to get 4 of those. And that is a lot that you could make. I mean, you could do the corner to corner. And the reason I wanted to do the corner to corner is because choppy variegated yarn like this is perfect for corner to corners. Okay, so you're going to get 5 of those. And then you are going to get, this is loud crunching, 6, 7 skeins, or cakes I should say, of this ice yarn. Now there was another one in here, but I used it and then I never did anything with the rest of it. So there's 7 of these cakes. Okay, it's 50% wool, 50% acrylic, 50 grams, 200 meters. No idea how many yards that is. But you can definitely tell that's wool. So there's 7 of these, and it is just a gray, it looks like a gray strand of yarn with white ran around it, like twisted around the yarn. But you're going to get 7 of those. 7 big old skeins, or cakes. So that's all the yarn that's in this giveaway. Now I want to show you guys the thing I ordered. I told you guys I ordered that from Hirschner's. I lied. It's from Mary Maxim. But what it is, and I wish I knew how to do this. I'm trying to get it all set up. It's 3 things. So you get, it's a Mary Maxim spring welcome wall hanging, and what it is that it's that plastic canvas, and then you get if you can see all the yarn in it, and then I haven't even opened this one, and then you get the pattern, I guess, and then you kind of like cross stitch or embroider, I don't know, this little wall hanging. So you get that. And then you get another one that's a box with little coasters. Then you get another one that is a box that goes over a box of Kleenexes. Perfect for spring, right? This is the one I opened, yeah. Yeah, so you get the pattern. See, I don't know how to do it. I I bought it and I thought, oh, this is going to be fun. I'm going to, make this little set. And then I looked at it and I'm like, what in the world? I don't know what this is. I don't know how to do it. I thought it was going to be a little easier than that, but it's not. So I'm going to give you these 3 packs. There. So you're going to get all 3 of those, and not 24 skeins of yarn, but 25, because I forgot one. Alright, that's it. That's everything that's going to go into this giveaway. So let's talk about what I want you guys to comment. I got a good one, I think. So before I started filming this, I was sitting in my living room in front of the TV watching a documentary on Hulu. And those of you that know me, I am a true crime girl. I watch anything true crime. That's what I like watching. Like, I'm not big on romance. I like comedies, but if I want to sit down and I want to crochet and I want to watch something, I want it to be a true crime, and I want to get lost into that story while I'm crocheting. So I got to thinking, I'm like, that is the perfect question for the giveaway. You guys tell me in the description box to enter the giveaway. Comment, what do you watch? Are you a romance? Are you a comedy? Are you a thriller? Are you true crime like I am? What's your genre? What's your favorite genre of TV show, podcast, YouTube, whatever you watch, to get lost in while you're crocheting? Or do you listen to music? I guess that could be it too. You listen to music and don't listen to anything. You listen to something, obviously, but what I meant was that you don't listen to TV or podcasts or YouTube. Anyway, so remember, be 18, please. Live in the U.S., please. And I'd love to be able to ship overseas, but holy cow, that's expensive. And comment if you want to enter. And I want to say, if you guys, for those of you that have been following me for a while, I will, once a evening throughout the week, whenever it is, I really don't have a set day, but throughout the week, I'll make a day or an evening. Matt's asleep, the girls are asleep, and I'm sitting in my recliner just working on stuff. I'll get my laptop out, and I will answer all of the comments. Okay, so I will say I'm not going to do that on the giveaway videos, because I don't want somebody to say, well, that's not fair. She replied to your comment, not mine. So I'm just not going to reply to any of the comments on the giveaway videos, just to be on the safe side. I'd rather be safe than sorry, But I read them. I read every one of them. I just don't reply to them. And so I just lost my train of thought. It's like 60 degrees out, and I have the windows open to let the fresh spring air in, and I smell somebody burning leaves, and it's got my entire house smelling now. Anyway, so be 18. Oh, and be a subscriber. Duh. I forgot about that one. And live in the US only, please. I hate doing that. And comment your favorite genre of whatever you watch or listen to. And that's it. That's it, guys. So this one is going to end April. Let's do like we did last time. Last time I ended on the March 3rd. Let's end this one on April 3rd. April 3rd. Okay? Oh, wait. Is that Easter? Crap. Hold on. Okay, so that's not Easter. So we're going to end it on April 3rd. So April 3rd, when I get up, I'm going to take my my link, and I'm going to put it into the random comment picker and pick a winner. And then so nobody else, after I get up in the morning, which I get up at like 5:30, 6 o'clock in the morning. If I'm lucky and get to sleep in that long. Sometimes I get up at like 3 or 4 in the morning. My internal clock is off. Anywho, so this is going to go till April 3rd. And I want to wish everybody good luck. Be 18. Put the comment your favorite genre, and that's it. I'm going to get off here, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.